live. I am going live. We're live. We're live in the training studio again today. Hi, everybody. You guys really liked when we came live last week. I'm very excited today. My practitioners are excited today, but I'm listening to them talk about pre-client jitters. Not necessary. Hey, Renee. So here we are. We're in group training. Thursdays are group training for Schatz Method Mastery practitioners. Today we have a client coming in. So we're going to work live with the client and figure out what orthopedic restrictions she has and what we get to do about that. So we have some practitioners here that are live. I think they moved out of view. No, Lori's still there. We have some practitioners live in the training space, and then those who are not in the same city, we have them logged on here so that they're live and interactive. And we've done this before with ourselves before we brought clients into the mix, and it works really, really well because all of our practitioners know the same techniques and so and tools and approaches, so they all work together. And then whoever's here in-house with the actual client gets to work on the client, and then we all get to share, how did that all go. So that's what we're here doing today. And we have our first official of the year client coming in who none of the practitioners have met. So I just was hearing them talking about this client has, we have x-rays, we have a long history, we have some surgeries, we have current chief complaints, we have chiropractic that didn't go well, we have massage therapy that made it worse. Sometimes these things happen. So the client's coming in today in just a couple minutes, and we're gonna workshop that out. We're gonna have some of our practitioners who are not here logging in, and I'm gonna logging in to our production set up that Lori has made. There we go. That Lori has made. There's Lori and Brittany, both in-house, waiting for the client and the next practitioners to arrive. So that's what we're here doing. We have just a couple minutes before we get started in training, and this is exciting. I'm very excited, and I'm also like, what are they talking about that they need to work out with the client? We're going to work it all out, and we're going to give her some results. So if this is the type of environment that you like to learn in, movement and manual practitioners, I almost forgot what we are, movement and manual practitioners, this is the kind of learning environment that would matter to you, to work with a posse of amazing practitioners together with support, live with clients in the space, then this is the kind of training that we want you to have too, because that's the way we like to learn. We've done a lot of book training, coursework, interacting with me, talking and working with each other, and now we're taking it to the next level, and we're actually bringing in bodies from the world so that we can apply what we're learning and actually in real time see our results instead of just talk about it like a theory, which you do need to do at some point, but then you also need to implement, and we're big on implementing. Okay, I just got a pop-up on my calendar that said time is almost up. The client's going to be here in a couple minutes. So we're going to go train, and come join us in Mastery. We start once a year, July 1st. Come join us in Mastery if you want to work with us in this way, and we'll come back tomorrow and tell you how our client work went today. All right, bye for now.